Well, the weather forecast says we're going to get 1 to 3 inches of snow on Thursday, and I haven't started the old 817 since like the spring, so I figured I'd come out here and see if I can start it. Let me just take this crap off the seat first. What I like to do with this one is it has a primer back here under the hood that's on the fuel pump. It's like a little lever down here, so I'll hit that a couple times and check the oil real quick. Yeah, oil's good. I'd like to change the oil this season, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. And I don't know. I don't even know if the battery's good or anything, but figure we'll give it a shot. Yeah, you gotta love that CCKA, man. That thing is mint. So it's been, what, since maybe April until November. So I don't know, whatever you want to say that is in months, but 6 months and 7 months, whatever. It just fires right up. That was pretty awesome. No ether, no nothing, just fires right up. I love this tractor.